How to send View Once photos on WhatsApp. This easy guide shows you how to send photos that disappear after being viewed once. First, open the WhatsApp application on your Android device. After that, open the chat where you want to send the View Once photo. From there, tap on the attachment icon, which looks like a paperclip. At this point, tap on Camera to take a new photo or Gallery to select an existing one. In the next step, choose or capture the photo you want to send. Following this, look for the One icon at the bottom of the screen next to the Send button. Once done, tap on the One icon to enable View Once mode. From here, the icon will turn blue or highlighted, indicating View Once is activated. At this stage, you can add captions or stickers if desired. After this, tap the Send button to share your disappearing photo. Once completed, the recipient can only view the photo once and it will disappear after they close it. The recipient will be notified if they take a screenshot of your View Once photo for your privacy protection. And that's it. If this View Once guide helped you send private photos securely, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.